In this second example, it says here I've got a pyramid made up of a square and 4 equilateral triangles. So if I'd have sketched that out, it would be a square-based pyramid. So it should have the square at the base and the pyramid shape. There you go. And it says that the equilateral triangles have sides of length 10, so that must mean that that's all 10 centimeters all the way around, like that. It's asking me to find the height of the pyramid. So that is really from the dot in the middle of the base up to the point at the top. So rather than talking about the point and the point, I should start labeling this stuff. So let's use a different color, blue. There we go. I'll call this point X, and I'll call the top point H. So to find the height of the pyramid is essentially to find the length HX. And I'm going to call that point A, because I'm going to be referring to this point as well. If I were to draw the triangle with A, X and H, then the length I'm trying to find is HX. And I know that the length AH is 10, and I should put a question mark here, that's what I'm trying to find, and AX is something else which I need. So I should be able to find that some other way. Just by looking at the base, I should be able to find AX by cutting this in a different way. So let's go to red. I'll make a small triangle here, which again is right angled. So I'll draw the red triangle now, and I'm going to call the point here B. So then that's point A, that's point B, and that is point X. So this is all on the base, and that is again a right angle. This is halfway. The point A to B is a half of the base, which is 10, so that length would be 5. And again, from the point B to the point X, that's a half of this length, which again is 5. So then I can find the point AX by just doing a bit of simple Pythagoras. So it's just 5 squared plus 5 squared all square rooted. And that would be 5 times root 2. That means that this length AX is also 5 root 2. And I can use that to find HX. So HX squared plus AX squared equals AH squared. That's from this triangle. And then I'm going to substitute all that in. So AX squared is 50. This is what I'm trying to find. And AH squared is 100. So then it looks to me as though XH is the same as AX, but let's just work it out. So HX would equal the square root of 50. And the square root of that, again, is 5 root 2. But this is all in centimetres, so I really should put centimetres here. But I could put an approximate solution here by pressing that SD button again, which is, it says 7.07 centimetres to 3SF. Great, okay, next video on example 3.